How to get the premium Reddit account or how to update your account to a premium one. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get a premium account and update it just from the app. So the first thing we do is we go to Reddit app and you click in the top corner on your avatar, and after that we go down to settings, and now you need to go to get premium. In here you can pay for the premium version of Reddit. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.